Welcome to a special edition of Mike and Matt. But today we have Guy Cipriano with Golf Course Industry Magazine with us. Guy, how you doing today?
Great, Matt. I mean, we're at Terry Hills Golf Club in Batavia, New York, getting ready to play in the New York GCSA POA outing. It's a crisp August 20th day, crisp and August 20th, but doing great. How could you not be?
Oh, it's awesome to be out here. So we're going to ask you or tell you 5 statements about showing up to a golf course. You're going to rank them from 1 being outstanding, 5 being that would be not good if I see it.
Am I showing up as a player, Matt, or am I showing up as somebody touring the golf course with the superintendent?
You are going to be a player.
Oh.
So if this is from a player's perspective, you show up to your tee time and it's raining.
5. That totally sucks.
Okay. You show up 10 minutes early and the tee times are already running 30 minutes late.
You know, that's a 3 or a 4 right there.
Yeah.
It depends what the vibe is. Sometimes waiting to play could be the best part of the round if you're with the right people telling the right stories.
Okay. Sunny, 78 degrees, no wind.
1.
Okay.
But I don't know your other scenarios.
That's what makes it so fun. You're getting ready to play and the 4th guy is late to the tee time and he's a current PGA Tour player.
Oh my God, that's a 1, right? Like, that would be awesome. I actually have an experience like that. Oh my God, like 20 years ago, when I was working in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, I was playing a golf course, Mark Twain golf course in Horseheads, New York, by myself. And the guy who was in front of me was slowed down and asked me, hey, can I join you? Or do I want to join him? I'm like, sure. And we get through a hole. I'm like, this guy looks really familiar. And then I looked on his bag and it was Central New York golf legend Joey Sindelar, and I played the back 9 at Mark Twain Golf Course with him just on a random Tuesday when I was working in Williamsport, New York.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, Guy, thanks for participating in our 5 questions.
Thanks, Matt.